Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We're back with another one, guys. So AMC, the overall stock market, guys, is looking good. Is looking great. Is that big turnaround about to happen, guys? So as we know, everything was getting crushed right during the midterm elections. Prior to that, 3 days, we seen a crazy run up, nice little run up. But like I told you guys, it had to pull off and sell back. It couldn't run up prior to the election and then continue to run higher because we want to see what we just seen in the past few days. One of the best performing days for the stock market in the past 2 years. So as we know, guys, it's been a wild year. It's been a wild ride. But this bearish market is coming to an end here soon. I give it another, I want to say another 2 months. Another 2 months. Definitely going into the top of 2023, February and on out. 2023 should be one of the best performing years for the stock market, guys. I'm going ahead and stamping it. We'll come back to this video. You know, I like to put my little clips up. 2023 will be one of the best stock market performance in history. I'm going to go ahead and say it like that. Yes, I believe so. Being for the fact of how strong the economy is about to come back, you know, all this new generation of millionaires. We about to have the first trillionaire soon. Soon as that unlock people's subconscious mind that they can even be a trillionaire, it's going to be more trillionaires, and then people are going to be regular billionaires. And I'm telling you guys, it's going to be a whole lot of money being poured into the economy and a lot of stuff that's about to go down. But anyways, let's go ahead and take a look at this, guys. Don't want to get off topic and start sharing, you know, my little whatever you want to call it, my future visions or whatever I see, you know, worlds and shit. Cause like I told you guys, you know, I make videos on the side about that here and there about robots taking over this, that, and the third. Some people may find it crazy or whatnot, but it's actually already happened. So you definitely can't call it crazy. Robots gonna come in and take over the workspaces at the restaurant you go to and stuff. Be robots back there flipping and stuff. Businesses gonna be able to make so much more money to make them become a trillionaire even faster, because once you pay for a robot, you like, you know, once it's paid off that first year of the investment, now you got a free worker. Imagine all these businesses didn't have to pay the people that work for them. That's basically what's going to happen with a robot. Once the robot is paid for, once it's an asset, you got the asset paid off, now everything is profit from whatever that asset is producing for you, which is the robot. So but anyways, guys, let's go ahead. This is another type for another day. But anyways, AMC and the stock market and what's about to happen, man, it is looking good. So as we know, guys, oh man, one of the stocks that we alerted, with a couple of stocks that we alerted in VIP has been going wild. So Lyft, I alerted Lyft at $10 range, guys. It's approaching 13, ended Friday at $12.60, up over 12.5%. Also, Carvana alerted that in the $6 range. So if you guys got in that, you looking real good. While everybody else was scared and in fear, I told you guys I'm all about price action. I don't care if Carvana would have came out and said, you know, worse than what they said. I'm still with buying it because I understand, you know, the market isn't running off fundamentals all the time, or even 90% of the time it ain't ran off fundamentals. It's ran majority off price action and TA rather than it is fundamentals. And that's my, you know, I'm standing on that opinion very strongly, as I would say. So anyways, guys, let's go ahead and take a further look though. As we know, AMC ended at $7.05, up over 17.2% on Friday. Volume is increasing drastically. 43 million shares being traded on Friday. We've seen how we continue to create higher lows as we continue to create higher highs on Fridays as well. That's a great sign of continuation, guys. I'm loving the price action with AMC. After coming down to that low $5 territory, we also hit a high of $7.28. I told you guys best case scenario for AMC on Friday was what? $7.65. We almost got there. I told you guys once it broke 7, we know when it break through that new number, it could easily love to run fast when it break through a new dollar. Like if it at $1 and it get to 2, it'll try to get to 3 quick. Or if it's at $6 and it break that 7 barrier, it'll try to get 8 quick. So anyways, that's why I told you guys we could possibly hit that target we was looking for at 768. But as I said, once we break through 7, what we want to see AMC hold up at the high 6s, around the low 7s, and that's exactly what took place. Once AMC blast through $7, what we seen, we started to see AMC form support right down here at the 693, 693 right there where I can't really hold it that well, 693. $7. That's where we started to build support at. Exactly what I was telling you guys. And now we're going to have our next resistance around $7.67. And once AMC break above that, it's going to be able to build up support around the high 7s. the high $7 range, guys, and $8 would be the next price point AMC need to blast through, and $10.22 before it see a significant jump, guys. So as we know, AMC is looking to be ready to make a big turnaround. And like I told you guys, the great thing about AMC and meme stocks rather than an overall stock market is it has a peak to it. Meaning the overall stock market ain't going to jump but so much. Stocks can jump 30-40% in a single day now because they being hit so hard, you know? But after they recover a bit, 50% of their falling price, 56% recovery, they is going to kind of start to stall out because now they come into their true valuation price of that company, because right now everything is oversold. So once they jump back 30-40%, they coming back to their true valuation of that company. But meme stocks, on the other hand, they jump 30-40-50%. They ain't even worried about they not even running or doing what they doing off of true valuation or fundamentals anyway. So they're more likely to run up 1,000%, 500%, 600% rather than the traditional overall stocks in the market. So you already know, guys, what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. Watch out for spam in the comment down below. These people are getting so good at what they doing. They making fake Instagram accounts, buying followers that match the exact amount that I got, putting the exact pictures up there, putting the exact everything, man. It's scary. So watch out for that, man. I never reach out first and ask you for no money or none of that stuff. So you already know, man. If you reach out to me and we talk and you think that's me, I go to the extent and I FaceTime you, or I make sure you hear my voice, match the voice to these videos, and then know that's me before you even talk to these people or do business with these people. So you already know what to do, man. I love y'all. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show, and we